Hey guys, this is Rukmini. So today I gonna share my 3 months experience about this mentorship program offered by Realistic Gyan. I have come to know about this mentorship program from the YouTube channel of Akshay Bhaiya, that is Realistic Gyan. I thought there would be a bunch of students with whom I'd be competing and with whom I'd be preparing for the upcoming MSc entrance examination for the central universities. But all I can say that I have got a lot I have never expected. I thought there would be one mentor who would be guiding us during the preparation. I think you guys are too thinking that there'd be one mentor, but there are actually for different branches, different mentors are there. I belong from chemistry stream, so for physical, inorganic, and organic, there are three different mentors with whom you can interact. One is to one through maybe call or maybe Google Meet or maybe through WhatsApp. You can clear your doubts and you can point out your shortcomings and then discuss it with the mentors. So this is, I think, one of the most useful features I have got here. Because in coaching centers also we got not mentors, we got teachers with whom we can consult with whom we can consult our doubts. But here something is different. You can consult your doubt one is to one. Secondly, one of the most important feature I can say that there are several uh, boosting rank boosting programs or sessions, you can say, how to maintain your time, how to manage your time, your willpower, etc, etc. So you may think that these are the motivational session we can also have in YouTube channel, but this is not the case. Here we actually discuss in group, like there are our bunch of students. We sit in Google Meet and then we discuss it with Akshay Bhaiya, and maybe there are other mentors also. We discuss it and these are really powerful. I had never know that this would be that much useful. So this is the feature. And thirdly, I think it is the most important for us, the students. I was also lacking track, I was also lacking motivation as you are, and you may be thinking that what's gonna happen in mentorship program. I was also in the same phase, but after I have come to this platform, I have known that so many things have actually changed for me. And whenever you feel doubt on yourself, or you feel the lack of track and anything like breakup or anything, any trauma, anything, so you can directly talk to any of the mentors and on call, and they will provide you with practical solutions. No motivation, no sugar coating. There are practical motivation, there are practical solutions, and I have been benefited with it. So I think students, all the students who are here, my friends, so they are also they are also benefited from this. So these are some simple features I have described. So there are much more to explore, and I think if you come here, you will see it's a surprise for you. So just don't sit there and think what's going to happen. Oh, one more thing, that money. I think this is a new program, right? Mentorship program. We have never thought that some mentorship program will also be there, but it is helping us in some way. So if you can spend your money in so many things that is not useful, I mean, in case that is not useful, so you can spend money. This is affordable, I guess. This is literally affordable. So you can spend money here, and you will see benefits, I can say, because I have also talked to some other friends who are also in this mentorship program, and they have given the same feedback that this is valued. The money is valued. So yeah, just don't sit there and don't think that I will follow others. If they join, then I'll join. Set the trend and come here. If you really think that you're lacking motivation and so many things, just think about the points I have described. These are very few points I have described. There are so many. So yeah, this is what all about my 3 months experience, and I'm happy with it. So thank you so much.